This is my 2 days of making them food, and they feel so great. The other are looks fat, and the other are becoming fat too. The other is so waiting because the other are don't like to share. They kick their horns. But this mem and son is they're sharing each other. They loves each other. The white one, son, baby cow son, and the mem. And on the other side, the mom cow and her bull. They're sharing each other too. And this one also, the daughter and the mom. The other are left. The other are still waiting. They are enjoying eating, guys. Oh, I feel so very happy when I see my cows loves to eat my food that I prepare.